Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, we are breaking down the key business concept capacity cost. Now, it might sound like a tough nut to crack, but trust me, it's simpler than you think. Let's dive in. When we talk about a business, especially one that manufactures products, one term that often comes up is capacity. Now, what do you mean by capacity? Capacity refers to the maximum amount of work that an organization is capable of completing in a given period of time. And this is where capacity cost comes in. There are the costs a business incurs to ensure that it has the capacity to produce the amount of goods it intends to. So, what will this cost include? It could be things like cost of machinery, labor, and the space or buildings where the production occurs, all of which helps the business reach its desired level of output. Understanding capacity cost is crucial because it influences the pricing decision, affects profitability, and can inform strategic planning for expansion of downsizing. So, in a nutshell, company costs are all about investing in the resources required to meet production goals. And that's it. Capacity cost simplified for you. If you like this video and found it helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more easy to understand explanations of business and economic concepts. Thank you.